Hello everyone, this is Jamela back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new here, how about you go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. And just know that I have not been doing a lot of thrifting, but on my lunch hour I decided to take a little break and pop into one store, and I was glad I did because I did a double take on that napkin holder, something that I needed in the house for sure, and I've just been waiting and waiting to find the right one. I've been storing my kitchen napkins just in this little holder right here, but now I have the perfect gold one that sits on the counter and complements the look. And guess what? It was only $2, and that made it an even better find. I also found this picture that was hanging on a wall, and I said, well, I really do like that. And then the little baby reminded me of my newborn granddaughter, so I said I'm going to go ahead and get that just to switch up the look on this wall. And this picture was only $10, which was a great price. So now I'm done with thrifting, but I want to show you some fabulous homes of other thrifters that are really inspiring. First up, we have Lynette Soul. Now her bathroom, she thrifted her giraffe statues, her wall statues, and also right here in her family room, this is 90% thrifted and styled perfectly. It's all about curating a style that fits your personality. And next up is Mwanda Mubanga. She scored that floor lamp on the Facebook Marketplace, and it is beautifully styled in her living room. And that shade gives her just the right amount of pop of color for her space. She also found this African stand and she cleaned it up, and after she polished it, it just came back to life, and here it is as a plant stand in her home. Now, I've been admiring this young lady's finds and how she styles her home for a while, and it's just so refreshing to see how she finds these pieces and put them all together. This coffee table was another one, and it was, as you see, it's all badly marked up. She refinished it and stained it, and here it is in her living room. And when Sonia Gatlin displayed her thrift finds in this sultry entry, I fell in love, and I had to see more of it. Her exceptional blend of thrifted items and new items is displayed perfectly in her home. I love how she found her items and curated a space for herself. She also did some DIY projects. So this young lady, I'm just so proud of her and how her look has come together. Her kitchen, her bar stools were thrifted, and the mirror. But it's just so nice. I really love her space. I just hope she's inspiring other young adults to thrift their house into a home as well. Because when you're just starting out there, you don't want to spend a lot of money. You want to establish a beautiful home. Because after all, beauty is being home and loving it. I hope this video inspired you. If so, go ahead and drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share. And happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home.